Hello, today is February 23rd, 2023 at approximately 12:16 a.m. I'm making this video because I'm being attacked constantly by the FBI, CIA, Secret Service, DOD. They're trying to kill me to cover up a conspiracy, a pending court case, a federal pending court case that's held at the kangaroo court in the state court case against the FBI. They don't want me to testify because it could be lethal, but we have to have the evidence in court, okay? This is in the interest of the American people. So they're continuously bombarding and cooking my organs. They're cooking my organs, putting a knife in the organ, in my organs, putting a knife in my organs, trying to cook my organ, trying to radiate me to try to silence me, okay? I'm healthy and strong, guys. I got blood results from a long time ago. You know, and these guys are just trying to, what happens when you're microwaved, okay? When you're microwaved, as they did Walter J. Stossel back in 1965, it eradicates your blood cells, okay? Think about it this way. What happens when you get cut by a knife? You get sliced by a knife, your white blood cell replicates, okay? It's got to fight off the infection. It's got to fight off the cut, to heal, to replicate, causing the metrics. But if you're constantly being bombarded with a fucking satellite weapon like the coward they are, you're going to have an overdose of fucking white blood cells, okay? That's how the cowards that work for the FBI, CIA, Secret Service do. That's how they kill their people, okay? And so we're trying to get in court so they can stand up and testify. I mean, you got to, man. If you're saying that it's not me that's doing it, it's not the FBI that's doing it, it's not the Secret Service, they're all pointing the fingers, Come to court. Let's talk about it. Let's see who's really doing this. What are you so afraid of as an FBI agency or the Secret Service or the DOD? Come to court and let's talk about it. Okay? Don't just sit there and beat me down because I'm an easy target. You followed for 29 years and you're pissed off now that the whistle's been blowing and you got to pay out money and you're losing the war to Ukraine and you got China and Russia. It's ridiculous, guys. I told you to stop this a long time ago. And you thought it was funny, and now you're trying to kill me to cover up a conspiracy. It's not fair, guys. They don't come talk about it. You know what I mean? But anyway, it's just a record because, like I said, they are retaliating against me. They're trying to kill me. I'm strong, man. Like I said, I can see, I got my limbs, but they're trying to kill me, trying to attack my body repeatedly. To alter my blood cells. I want to thank www.targetedjustice.com. I hope you get an answer in March, okay? There should be an answer in March by the government. We're looking forward to that answer, okay? And that's basically it. Thank you and God bless. We'll let you know. I'm going to make you posted every day as we go along here. Thank you and God bless.